Lights, camera. Take one.
So,
Alright.
high skin fade, very high skin fade.
So what is a skin fade is 0?
It's skin, completely skin.
Okay. Can we start with the 3 and see what it looks like, then maybe do a half skin, like, I know whatever you think, but
Do you know, in my suggestion,
Yeah.
if you like, you follow my suggestion, you don't actually do skin because you want to show the thickness on the top.
yeah,
You don't have like much thick on the hair on the top.
yeah.
So as much you go short from the sides is better than.
Looks better on top.
Yeah,
okay.
will support the.
Because it's a
style
skin
of the-
fade like what?
Yeah.
Like what the number 1 dude or something or up
Yeah,
there.
those skin fade. So it's completely skin. So the people will notice the hair is thick than usual.
Yeah.
But if I do half or one with
It'll
number
look-
2 on top, will look like sort of number 1 all over or 2 all over, especially because your top is
Gone.
thin.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So this is my suggestion.
Yeah,
Do you
no,
want to
no.
follow me or you want to go
No, I think
whatever
that's
you
right.
want?
Yeah, maybe we can just start with the 3 all over and just see what it looks like and go from there. No,
You know, don't scare yourself.
don't scare yourself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't scare yourself because what's the point? I'm gonna fade it anyway.
You can fade it anyway.
Yeah.
Exactly,
So the most important thing, the top.
yeah. Okay.
The size will grow back in 2 weeks,
That's
but the
cool.
top actually will take time.
All right.
So as long as I shave the top, that's it. So
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
do it.
we do
good.
number 3 on the top, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. So then we go shorter, we go shorter.
Okay, I will show you 3 as you said. You know, like on top. We will shave it anyway. So, ready for it?
Yeah, why not?
That's it.
No, I did say 3 on top, didn't you?
Imagine.
That's it.
Oh yeah, sorry, Mike. Come back later.
Sorry, I'll tell you. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, nice easy haircut.
What is that?
Nice easy haircut.
Number 3 all over? Yes, mate. Very easy. Yeah. Well, yeah, if I do high skin fade, now it's different stuff.
Yeah, it looks better. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
you can tell already.
So I will go like as much as I can higher, actually.
Yeah, let's see.
We'll see. We'll
Yeah.
see. I'm very sure they don't like.
Yeah.
You will like it, but
No, I think it'll look good.
it's at the end it's up to you. You know, like you stay with the style or you change it later. That's it.
Actually, looks alright.
So
There you go.
it's number 3.
There you go. Alright, let's fit the fade.
Any plans today?
No, not really. Go out to dinner or something and that's it.
It's a good man.
What about you?
Nothing, mate. I don't know, maybe visit my parents?
Oh, beautiful. Do they live close or far?
Yeah, we live the same area, yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
When was your last holiday?
Over New Year's, we did a cruise.
Oh, yeah?
Went to New Zealand.
Oh, yeah?
Beautiful over there. What about you guys? Did you do anything or?
No, mate, I don't deserve any holiday.
No, just working.
No, I don't deserve it, mate.
No, I've got no more planned either. Just hunker down for the year now, that's it.
So, did you like it?
Yeah, it was beautiful. New Zealand's gorgeous. I want to go back and do it properly though. Like go for 2 weeks or something, drive through it, all the small towns. Oh.
Let me check. Yes, awesome.
I've got to go stand in the sun now.
What is
I've
that?
got to go stand in the sun. How white it is.
So, this is just zero. You want to keep it like that or you want to go skin?
I like that actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, sure enough. And then we'll fade this part in and that's it. And you'll fade this, yeah.
If you want to keep it like that, I don't mind.
Yeah, no. But yeah.
Love it.
Oh, fine.
It's easy job, mate.
Yeah.
I wish to.
Yeah, exactly. Easiest haircut ever.
Lots of customers like that, mate. Oof. I'm a rich man.
Yeah, exactly. $30 haircuts, 2 minutes, bang bang.
Yeah, just straight on, mate. What do you mean, fair?
Yeah, not yeah.
Now I can charge you 40, mate. Skin trade. Zero
Exactly,
trade.
yes, yeah. Exactly, that's how you get them. There we go.
What is that?
I actually don't mind it.
Yeah, wait for the end.
Yeah, wait till the end. Yeah, now, yeah, exactly.
You can't judge the style, like by positive or negative things until you
Right at the end, yeah,
get
you're
the
right.
end. Yeah.
Makes sense. Let's let it be the same thing.
What do you think?
There we go. It's pretty crazy, actually.
I will suggest to box the front,
What do you mean? Sorry, so how?
like to clean the front.
I'll clean like the hairline a bit.
Yeah, yeah,
So just like
yeah.
you're not gonna bring it back or anything. Or
No,
like,
no, no,
oh, yeah.
just clean because like you have like sort of
there's a-
spiky hair.
Yeah, definitely.
I wanna just
Yeah,
clean
let's
for
box it up.
Also give some illusion like you got like extra hair.
Yeah, good point. All about the illusion.
Yeah. That's only we have now.
Exactly.
The shadow of the hair. Good?
There we go. Oh, that feels weird. I don't mind it actually. What do you
Yeah,
think?
it's a nice one actually. Like you give your time, like yourself time
Yeah.
to just like to like it
Yeah.
because your mind didn't used to it now.
That's a good point.
So I give
yeah.
yourself like 2 days, 2 days, 3 days, you'll like it.
Perfect.
Back
We'll
to you-
maybe we'll do the beard
Yeah.
and stuff as well.
Back to you after get the beard done.
There we go. Actually looks good. What do you think?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah, it looks alright.
How's it 20 cents?
Yeah, there we go. I'm paying for them now. All done. There she's gone. That all do? Yeah, well, I do. It looks good, eh?
Show me your thumbs up then.
Oh. First Choice Barbers, is that what you want?